qualified baby yoga and baby massage instructor, and in this section we're going to have a little talk through how you can continue baby yoga with older babies and children. So baby yoga can be carried on throughout childhood. It's completely safe to continue all movements as long as your child has healthy joints and no hip dysplasia or hip problems. You can continue trying all of the movements as they grow and develop. Some of your children might like to start to change those movements a little bit, perhaps starting to move some of the mini cobra movements into a downward facing dog movement. All of those are very safe for toddlers and younger children to have a go at, so they can start to change up those movements as they grow and develop. Your little one might like to do a little bit of yoga with you, so if it's yoga you do at home, you can help your little one to join in and copy some of your movements as well. That can really encourage your little one to continue with that baby yoga that they started with at a very young age. Breathing techniques are really popular in yoga, and you can start to use these at home with your young children as well. Showing them how to do these breathing techniques can be really helpful for mindfulness, emotional well-being and regulating their emotions. So starting to show them some breathing techniques can be really helpful as they grow and develop too. Having fun with yoga as you continue with baby yoga with older babies and younger children is really important. So keep adding in lots of songs that your babies enjoy. It doesn't matter which songs, nobody's listening, have fun with it and be playful with it as well. Your baby or your young child will be sure to join in happily if you're having fun and not taking things too seriously. The benefits always continue throughout younger childhood, so continue with that baby yoga and enjoy having some fun with your children.